Yo, what's up guys, this is EIZY from EIZY Customizer, and this is the latest progress of my recent build. Well, this is the high grade Glaive unit 01, the Reminizer and also the Raminizer. Well, I already primed these two units all together and I already shared the photos of them. They all look awesome. I'm using the Tamiya spray can for this priming, and the main color for these two units are the black and also the flat black, and the Reminizer is the blue one, while the Raminizer at the back is the red one. For the detailing job, I'm using the water slide decals, some stickers, and also I'm using the marker here, the permanent one. This one is just a cheap one from the Monami permanent marker. I did use some Gundam marker too, and also this is the gold stickers that I got from the Strike Freedom. I just want to make some highlight to every parts because black and gold are so cool, a very cool combination. And yeah, I'm also using the same marker, a cheap one by the Monami. Well, the tips are very thick, but I managed to do the small details using it thanks to my very sturdy hand. I am using the third-party water slide decals and also a mix-up with the Bandai Master Grade water slide decal that I have in my backlog. Well, dealing with the water slide are much more easier for me, especially dealing with these tiny decals here for the high grade. So basically, for the color scheme, the idea are actually from the RAM and the ROM character from the ReZero itself, and I really want both units to be a bit darker, black, flat black, with some gray for the frame, and also I'm using the blue for the RAM and also red for the Raminizer at the back, the backpack unit. Well, the Raminizer is supposed to be in pink because RAM is pink, but I changed it to red instead because red color is much more badass. And so the result for both units are really satisfied of what I'm doing, the color scheme, the design, the combination for both, and up until this progress now. The first design was really a funny one because I was using the purple hat from the Megashiki Gundam that I got, but I didn't stop there. I keep on changing all the parts, checking out whether it is fit for the design, and also I keep imagining how it will look like with this color scheme in the future. Other than changing all the design, make sure the articulation are still best for you, because you want to pose the kits later on after you have done with the paint job. And some tips from me is for the color scheme, don't only stick with 2 different colors, just mix them up with at least 3 to 4, and also add some details to highlight them. In the next video, I will share to you guys the assembling process after top coating both units. I just want to seal all the decals here, and also the transformation for the merge look for both units into one. So don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit that like button, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to follow up my Facebook page as well, EIZY Customizer. The link is in this description down below, and hopefully to see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.